day, just enough of your remains. It's such a